Welcome to the Camping and Caravanning Club series of how-to videos. We're going to show you just how easy it is to hitch up your caravan to your tow car safely and securely every time you tour. Our own Ian Hewlett will help walk you through the 8 simple steps.
Check the caravan handbrake is on and the vehicle handbrake is also applied. Attach the breakaway cable and then lower the hitch onto the ball by winding the jockey wheel. You will get an indicator at the front and inside in most coupling types. Check the caravan is securely coupled by using the jockey wheel to raise the rear of the car on its suspension a few inches. Once you're happy with that, loosen the jockey wheel and stow. Next, connect the electrical plug. Make sure it's fully engaged. Release the caravan handbrake and then do road light checks.
So you're ready to hit the road and head off on holiday. Now we've got a checklist for your wallet and also a handy sticker for your caravan's A-frame. To grab one, just come see us at a camping or caravanning show. If you found this video useful, be sure to check out our others in our how-to series at the club website or at our YouTube channel. Happy camping and caravanning.